All right, today we're gonna bring outdoor lights, LED lights. If you guys can see it, these are beautiful little outdoor lights. This is not glass, this is actually plastic. These are extremely long and you get a pack of 2. Right now we set up one of them as a demo right now, and we're gonna set it up permanent actually. And they give you extra light bulbs in case one of them's bad. You can always replace it with one of these. They give you a remote control, 2 remote controls, because it does have a module to remote control the actual lights. If you guys can see, I actually put them right next to my wall. I actually put them really close because the cable is a little long, so I closed them up a little just to give enough bright. And we're gonna set it up right now where we're gonna check it out at night because it really gets dark back here, and we're gonna set these up. But I set up one set right now and we're gonna set up the other one in a bit. So hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, here we have the actual controller right in front of me, and we're gonna change a couple settings in here. So we're gonna change blue, red, red. We're going to change multiple colors here. Turn it off, turn it on. So we have a couple of channels in here. We got this one here, red, green, and blue. Then we can always go back to normal and change it to the white bright. And then we can also do dark light too. So dark light, this is the dark light. Multiple colors, changing modes. Perfect for Christmas. If you're gonna set these up, you got a lot of different modes. Go to white. I like this one. You can lower it down. Let's lower it down. Lower it down, lower it down. And then we can pick it up back high. So the lighting's outdoor graded. Perfect lights. You do need power source. These are actually longer, but I just shortened them up a little closer so you guys can see the demo on against my wall. I like the lighting. I'm gonna set them up on the outdoor settings too. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.